In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Coffin Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in a welcome pop-up. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Edit your shortcuts thanks to Edit button at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and add Coffin 1 to your currently used ones. To do that, just use this plus at the top right corner of it. Swipe up, then hold it and drag it to place it wherever you wish. Once you're done, use this check mark at the top right corner. Now click on Coffin shortcut. Make sure to tap on this switcher next to Allow modifying system settings. Without it, it won't work. Go back and click on your shortcut again, this time to choose Never as your sleep time. As you can see, Coffin is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on your shortcut again until it turns gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!